Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to erase all content and settings on iPhone 11, 11 Pro and Pro Max. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to settings and here scroll down and go to general. And again scroll down and we have here in the bottom reset. Just press on this option. And we have here erase all content and settings. Just press on this option and this will delete all media and data and reset all settings. Just press erase iPhone and let's read again. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay, and just press again erase iPhone. And now you must wait until your phone will restart. And now I'm back, and all that you need is to do the initial setup. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.